Okay, so I thought I would bribe the girls with some chicken scratch so you can see them in their new home. So there they are, chilling. Winston's coming to scare them. But yeah, so they've moved into their coop, and they're kind of all just hanging out, chilling. I think we've heard some clucks recently. They're kind of few and far between still, but everybody's here in their new home, totally happy, pecking, doing the pecking thing. But you can see Jordy built this really cool coop enclosure, so it unlocks, and then this opens so we can give them scrap and stuff. So they've been eating corn. We started them with corn and some carrot strips, and they really like that, so I'm going to try tomatoes tonight. But yeah, so there they are in their coop, week 6.